In this video, I'm going to show you 25 powerful Samsung Android hacks that most people don't even know exist. And some of these can instantly make your phone faster and save you hours every week. Make sure you watch till the end, because one of these settings could actually save your life in an emergency. Let's get started. Hack 1. Reduce animation speed. First, let's make your phone feel instantly faster. Open Settings. Scroll down to About Phone. Tap Software Information. Tap Build number 7 times. Go back to Settings. Open Developer Options. In the Developer Option menu, scroll down to find Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, Animator Duration Scale. Set all to 0.5. Now your phone will feel twice as fast. Hack 2. Set up Auto Restart. This will refresh your Android phone. Your phone slows down because it never gets refreshed. Open Settings. Tap Device Care. Tap Auto Optimization. Tap Auto Restart. Turn on Restart when needed. Hack 3. Make unused apps to deep sleeping mode. Unused apps are draining your battery in the background. Here is how to set up. Open Settings. Tap Battery. Tap Background Usage Limits. Tap Deep Sleeping Apps. Tap plus sign at the top right hand corner. Add unused apps. Hack 4. RAM plus adjustment. Too much virtual RAM can actually slow your phone. Open Settings. Tap Device Care. Tap Memory. Tap RAM plus. Set to 2 GB or turn it off. Hack 5. Turn on Adaptive Battery. Open Settings. Tap Battery. Tap Background Usage Limits. Now tap 3 dots at the top right hand corner. Tap Adaptive Battery. Turn on Adaptive Battery. Hack 6. Turn on dark mode to save battery power. This is one of the biggest battery savers. Open Settings. Tap Display. Select Dark Mode. Hack 7. Turn off nearby scanning to save power. Open Settings. Tap Location. Tap Location Services. Turn off Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Hack 8. Enable adaptive power saving automatically. Open Settings. Tap Battery. Tap Power Saving. Tap 3 dots at the top right hand corner. Now tap Adaptive Power Saving. Turn on Adaptive Power Saving. This setting helps turn power saving on and off automatically based on your usage patterns. Hack 9. Background data restriction. Open Settings. Tap Apps. Select any app. Tap Mobile Data. Turn off Allow background data usage. This will reduce background activity and save power. Hack 10. Secure folder for safekeeping. This hides your private photos and apps. Open Settings. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap More Security Settings. Tap Secure Folder. Set it up with Samsung account. Hack 11. Use Permission Manager to control access. Open Settings. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap More Privacy Settings. Tap Permission Manager. Check permission settings for each apps. Especially look for camera, microphone, location. This will remove access from suspicious apps. Hack 12. Emergency SOS contacts setup. This can save your life. Open Settings. Tap Safety and Emergency. Tap Emergency SACE. Turn on Add Emergency Contacts. Press power button 5 times to send location. Hack 13. Find my mobile setup to locate lost or stolen device. Open Settings. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Lost Device Protection. Tap Find My Mobile. Turn on all options. Hack 14. Split Screen Mode. Open recent apps. Tap app icon. Select Open in Split Screen. This boosts productivity by enabling two apps to run side by side, such as watching movies while writing email between apps. Hack 15. Edge Panels. The Samsung Android Edge Panel is a customizable sidebar on Galaxy devices. This feature allows quick access to apps, tools, contacts, and features by swiping from the edge of the screen. It boosts productivity by enabling instant app switching. Go to Settings, tap Display, tap Edge Panels, turn it on. This gives you quick access to apps. Hack 16. One-hand mode. Samsung's one-handed mode is a useful feature that can be used to shrink the display to one corner of the screen. This feature making it easier to reach top corner apps and notifications with one thumb. It is ideal for larger phones, allowing users to resize and move the display for one-handed operation. Go to Settings. Tap Advanced Features. Tap One-handed Mode. Now turn it on. Perfect for big phones. Hack 17. Double Tap. Double tap on a Samsung Android phone is a gesture feature that allows you to wake up or lock your screen by tapping it twice. This feature provides a convenient way to check notifications or turn off the display without using the physical side key. This setting can be found usually under Motions and Gestures. Go to Settings, tap Advanced Features, tap Motions and Gestures. Turn on double tap to turn off screen. Hack 18. Modes and Routines. Modes and Routines is a powerful automation tool in Samsung phone. This automation feature that acts like a personal assistant, changing phone settings based on time, location, or activity. Go to Settings, tap Modes and Routines. Create a routine. For example, at night, turn on silent mode and dark mode automatically. Your phone now works for you. Hack 19. Accidental Touch Protection. Accidental Touch Protection on Samsung Galaxy phones is a display feature that uses the proximity and light sensors to prevent unintended screen activity. It keeps the screen inactive even if it wakes up, saving battery and preventing frustrating accidental input. This feature prevents random touches in your pocket. Huge for battery saving. If your phone randomly turns on in your pocket, turn this on right now. Open Settings, tap Display, Scroll down, turn on accidental touch protection. Hack 20. Flash notifications. Flash notification in Samsung Android is a feature that uses the camera light or screen to create a visual alert when receiving calls, messages, or app alerts. Great for noisy environments if your phone is on silent or for users with hearing difficulties. Open settings. Tap accessibility. Tap hearing enhancements. Tap flash notification. Turn on camera flash, screen flash. Hacks 21. Pin apps. App pinning on Samsung Galaxy devices is a feature that locks the phone screen to a single application. This feature will prevent users from accessing other apps, messages, or settings. It is ideal for sharing your phone with your friends without sacrificing privacy. Handing your phone to someone. Use this trick. Open Settings tab Security and Privacy. Tap More Security Settings. Turn on Allows apps to be pinned. Open Recent apps. Tap App icon. Tap Pin this app. Hack 22. Separate App Sound. Separate App Sound is a Samsung Galaxy feature that lets you divert audio from specific apps to a different audio device like a Bluetooth speaker, while all other app sounds play through the phone's speakers. You can play music on a Bluetooth speaker while calls stay on your phone. Here is how to set it up. Open Settings, tap Sounds and Vibration, tap Separate App Sound, turn on, choose app, for example YouTube, select output device. Hack 23. Extra dim mode. This feature makes your screen even darker than normal brightness, which is great at night. If your screen is still too bright at night, this hidden setting will fix it. Open Settings. Tap Accessibility. Tap Vision Enhancements. Tap Extra Dim. Turn on Extra Dim. Adjust Intensity Slider. Hack 24. Auto Blocker. Auto Blocker is a security feature that enhances device protection by blocking unauthorized apps. This setting protects your phone from dangerous apps and USB attacks. Open Settings. Tap Security and Privacy. Tap Auto Blocker. Turn on Auto Blocker. And finally, this is the best hack you can try. I am sure you will love it. Hack 25. Link sharing. Send large files easily. Share big videos or photos without apps like WhatsApp compressing them. Stop losing quality when sending photos. Use this hidden feature. Open Gallery. Select a photo/video. Tap Share. Tap Quick Share. Create link and send it. Works for large files instantly. If you found this video helpful, even just one tip, I'd really appreciate it if you take a second to subscribe to the channel. I create simple, easy to follow Android tips that can save you time, improve your phone, and even keep you safe. And I've got a lot more videos coming that you don't want to miss. Also, let me know in the comments which hack did you like the most, or if there's something you want me to cover next. I read every comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.